Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is August the 14th and I am using my new Super Scalper trading system. This system uses the Super Scalper, that's this blue and yellow moving average, and of course we have another moving average, this gold line, and of course the arrows are part of the super signal indicator. Now this super signal indicator, personally I would not trade any system moving forward without the super signal indicator. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Of course, this is great for traders who love to scalp the market. Now you can scalp whether it's 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even 15 minutes. And scalping generally, for me anyhow, is 2 to 10 pips or ticks. And of course everything above that, I call that a bonus. Now every morning I'm taking a look at all the different instruments here, and of course I take a look at this daily trade plan. And of course once I make a decision I want to be buying or selling, I'll put up a white or a up or down arrow. Now here's the daily trade plan. It's running in real time and it can change, every half hour. It can change from red to flat to blue, and eventually, say an hour later, it could go from bearish to bullish. I've had many daily trade plans. I even used to make my own daily trade plan, which takes about 30 minutes. Gone are those days. I just pull up the template and bang. I have all the way from the 30 minutes up to the monthly. I know if I should be buying and or selling. It's a wonderful expert advisor. It helps me a lot and I'm sure it will help you. If you have any questions, just get in contact with me, and I do prefer Skype. So keep that in mind. This is something that you really should have if you wish to succeed at trading. So now we can get into the trades. As I mentioned, I put in a white arrow on the by the way, I sold every one except this pound Swiss. Took all the trades, well, not exactly the same time. I had to wait for some of the trades to line up or give me a little bit better entry, and I closed them all out, it looks like, between around 8:30 to a little after 9. So I'm doing this video and it's only 9:20 in the morning and I am done trading for the day. Once you have all the proper tools for trading, at least for me, once I finally got all the proper tools, trading became much easier and of course a lot of fun. But it does take time to learn how to trade. So let's see where we got into this first trade. Drag and drop this up. Took the trade here. I knew it could go back up, but when I pulled the trigger with the arrow, I knew I had a winner. Doesn't mean I'm going to get 100 pips, but I still have a winner. Pulled the trigger at this cursor and I close it out being happy, locking in about 15, and those 15 pips paid out $97. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. On this pound Swiss, I knew I wanted to be buying. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. I was 95% sure I had a winner. And once you can get to the point of when you take the trade, you're 95% sure you have a winner, trading will obviously become much more easier for you to do. Took the trade at the first cursor, and the second one I closed it out, locking in about 9 pips, and that paid out $113. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. Now on the euro dollar, because of the USDs being on the right hand side, it pays $10 for each pip, and looking at the money, this should be 290. Well, 290, that means it's $29 or 29 pips. So let's see if we can go and find those 29 pips. There it is right there, 29 pips, and that paid out $290. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 67 ticks. Drag and drop this up. This is where I got in. And of course there's the super signal arrow. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. I just realized the template I was using, and I just changed it back to this. This is the super scalper, where it's blue and yellow. And actually I had the other template on, which was the easy scalper, which I am still working on the videos. But anyhow, easy scalper is another great trading system. But as you can clearly see here, the scalper was saying to sell, super signal was saying to sell. So let's see. Got in at this cursor, closed it out over here. It's still working its way down. It can easily go down to here. So as I said, it should be 67 ticks. So in at this cursor, close it out here. There's the 67 ticks, and that paid out $335. Moving along to the next trade, which is the Russell. This one pays $10. Looks somewhat similar to the Dow. It actually did hit the support. Well, it's bouncing off support right now. Scalper said to sell. Super signal said to sell. The daily trade plan said to sell. See how easy trading is once you have all the proper tools. And so Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 44. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. If I stayed in a trade, I'd be up more than double that, but I was happy. And just looking at the money, I know I'm going to be well over 200, probably over 300 pips and ticks. So like I said, took the trade at this cursor and closed it out here. What did I say? 44. Should be 44. There it is there, 44 ticks, paying out $440. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, arrow from the super signal. Scalper was saying to sell. Everything was a go. Now I took the money, divided it by $5, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 142 ticks. So I closed it out at this location with, like I said, hopefully I can get it, show it. There it is right there, 142, forget the 7, so it's 142, and that paid out $712. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 20, and the calculator says it should be approximately 54 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Went down a little bit further, and now it's working its way up. So I pulled the trigger here and close it out here. As I mentioned, should be 54. There it is right there, 54 ticks. and that paid out $1,070. So another great day of trading. Fantastic way to start off the week. I added up all the pips and the ticks. I knew it was going to be over 300, as I mentioned earlier. Grand total came to 360 pips and ticks, and that paid out $3,058. So if your system's not producing like my Super Scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it. And don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you're interested or have any questions, well, all you got to do is look right below this video. So let's say that this is the video you're looking at. All you got to do is look right below, and you'll see a button here, or you can click anywhere on this banner where it says more here, this whole row. Just click on it. It opens up another window. As you scroll down, you'll see my connection for Skype, which is what I prefer. Made it easy for you. Even if you think you don't have Skype, if you have a computer, tablet, or a cell phone, they're all connected through Microsoft and through Skype. You click on it, we'll have Skype connection, and I will be able to answer your questions. Please keep in mind that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You need all 4 of these. You need a lot of chart time. You need a lot of demo trading. You need a lot of education. And of course, you need a daily trade plan. I can elaborate more on this when we talk live. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now, continue to scroll down. You'll see 4 packages here. I normally charge $250 each. I'm going to tell you about 2 special offers I have running right now. First one is if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. So there's 4 packages here. Keep in mind, Super Scalper does not automatically include the Super Signal Indicator. That's in package 4. But I do have another special offer that if you buy package 1 or 2 or 3, that's $250, and for $50 more, I'll throw in the Easy Trader system with the Super Signal Indicator. Now that works out to a 40% discount. Now, of course, I have 2 other special limited time offers. Just get in contact with me and I can tell you what they are. So as we're scrolling down, I break down each package and what I teach in it. As you can clearly see, lots of training, lots of education. 24 videos here, up to 30 minutes long each. How I trade live, 20 videos, same thing, up to 30 minutes long each. These are advanced trading tips. Now, of course, as you scroll down, the last 2 has only 4 training videos in each package, focusing on the EA or the indicator and the 3 different sessions and how to use it. Now, as you scroll down, you'll see my contact information. If you have any questions or if you want to buy, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Or just send me an email. Here's my email address. Again, another link for my Skype right here. And of course, I wanted to please take a note that it takes me many hours to put these packages together, and I don't want to work for free. Once you buy it, you have it, you own it. It's impossible for me to take it back. And for that particular reason, please note that there are no refunds. Also, take a note that if you buy from me, I'll give you support through Skype, of course, answer your questions, and help you to find success. Remember, without support, you will fail at trading. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, Want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.